Assalamualaikum friends, I hope you're doing well, and here travel to your calendar desk for Adobe Photoshop and Adobe Illustrator. That means you can customize in these software. First you need subscription and then you can get all access of my data. Okay, go to sheriskpwd.com and just one time payment for lifetime. AI, APS and PSD. So you can import your travel photo and put your brand or company name, text name, or you that means you can customize everything in Photoshop. For example, from this one, and you see CMYK, that means these are printable. National Day, you can import anything or you can change this color. Depend your choice. Okay, also change this color. Depend on your own choice. That's mean you can change everything. Okay, next APS for Illustrator AI. I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe us. Take care. Allah Hafiz.